What the hell was that? What's going on? I can't stop yawning. It hurts. It hurts. My jaw's cramping. Ow! I'm only yawning because you keep yawning. I'm only yawning because you won't stop. Stop! No, how about you stop? I will turn around so I won't see you yawn. That loud ass yawn. Go somewhere where I can't hear you. Like, who does that? That loud ass yawn. Face ass. I can still see you. Why are you even looking?